Welcome once again. Let's talk about Terra Classic LUNC. With $150, you can also become a millionaire with Terra Classic once this happens. Now, at the time of recording this, Terra Classic have actually gained, yesterday, we have actually gained about 2.70% increase in price. Terra Classic is still on the recovery. Now, this coin have over 5.8 trillion coins, and the only way Terra Classic can hit $1 is for LUNC to destroy these coins, and Binance are actually doing their best towards this. Now, according to experts, Terra Classic needs to burn out 5.8 trillion coins. The original plan of LUNC is to burn out, and then by the time they hit just 10 billion coins, they will stop the 1.2% tax burn. Now, even with the way LUNC is going right now, if LUNC hit 1 cent, the price now is at 0.00012. Now LUNC at 1 cent must have hit about 7,900%. Now imagine at 10 cents, already a lot of people have over $1,000 on LUNC. They will become millionaires. But with $150 investment on Terra Classic coins at the time of recording this, you will be getting about 1,197,222 coins of Terra Classic LUNC. LUNC at $1, this will return about $1,197,000 if Terra Classic hits $1. Okay, you making over $1,197,000 with $150 investment. Now, can Terra Classic hit $1 price? Yes, there's a possibility that LUNC can hit $1 price. Now remember that Terra Classic at the time of recording this have actually burned almost 53 billion coins of Terra Classic. Right now, we all know the 1.2% tax bond is not really giving us what we want. It's not really bringing out or burning what that 1.2% tax bond was actually created for. I remember the period when they just launched this 1.2%. So many crypto experts and billionaires and so many developers on Terra Classic, a lot of some of that, they found out they were actually saying that this was actually created to help Terra Classic burn over billions of Terra Classic coins in a day. Now, the idea behind it was that most exchanges will definitely burn. Yeah, okay, we support the 1.2% tax burn, and today none of them are burning except for Binance. That is why Terra Classic is still struggling up to now. If not by now, LUNC must have burned billions. I mean, hitting about 1 or 2 trillion coins that must have been destroyed by Terra Classic, but it's not working towards that way right now. But yes, the plan is still there, and I believe yes, LUNC's still plan of burning over 5 trillion coin is still on, and anything can happen. This is crypto industry. Now, with $150, let's assume Terra Classic hit 1 cent, you will still be making a lot of money. You're making over $12,000 to $15,000 profit. That is still a huge return on investment. Just 7,900% increase. Terra Classic deleting about 2 zeros. Wow. I still believe that yes, LUNC is still remain one of the best crypto coins any crypto trader need to hold, because anything can happen with Terra Classic coin. But right now, this is a period Terra Classic is really facing a lot. Terra Classic right now is still trying to recover from the recent fall, and I believe that yes, for Terra Classic to really hit, they need every community to support the burning and also the 1.2% tax burn. But I will start getting Kucoin, Crypto.com out of them joining this destroying and burning Terra Classic coins. The LUNC before the end of this year will definitely be somewhere we are hoping for, and I believe yes, within the next 12 months, LUNC can hit 1 cent. $100 right now. At the time of recording this, LUNC to 1 cent will return about $7,800 profit. Imagine, that is still a huge profit. So imagine if putting $100 within the next few months, you are seeing $1,000 or $2,000. Of course, you will be smiling. So that is why a lot of services like Binance founder CZ is really supporting this coin. He owns these coins. He owns a lot of coins of Terra Classic. So everybody wants to make money. Everybody wants to make it Everyone wants to see LUNC progressing, especially the top billionaires and some crypto exchanges. Well, let's hope for the best, and I believe that yes, one day we'll be seeing LUNC Terra classic coins at the top. Please remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decisions.